Caladium leaves curling can signal underwatering or overexposure to sunlight. Address this quickly to prevent permanent damage. Caladiums require well-draining soil to prevent root rot. Amend clay-heavy soil with 30% perlite or pumice to improve drainage. Using too much fertilizer can scorch caladium leaves. Stick to a balanced October 10 fertilizer and apply at half the recommended rate. Caladiums are tropical plants and cannot tolerate temperatures below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring containers indoors if frost is predicted. Spider mites, aphids, and thrips are common caladium pests. Monitor plants closely and use insecticidal soap at the first sign of infestations. Caladiums can be propagated by dividing their tubers in spring. Each division should have at least one eye to ensure regrowth. Caladiums go dormant in winter. Dig up tubers, allow to dry, and store in a cool, dark place until replanting in spring. Repot caladiums every 2 to 3 years in spring to provide fresh soil and room for their expanding tubers. Use a pot 2 inches wider than the previous one. Discover more essential caladium care tips in our comprehensive guide. Download it now to ensure your caladiums thrive all season long.